Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today for maths we're going to be working with both fractions and decimals, and it's just a little mini project. So our learning goal is I can make connections between equivalent fractions and decimals. If I read this blue box here, this is a bit of our background information. So you are a land developer and your next project is to plan and build a new school. This is your empty lot. Notice it is a 10 by 10 lot. So if it's 10 by 10, that means that there is 100 squares here altogether. So it's a bit like a hundreds chart. The school grounds need to include these basic amenities: 4 classrooms, a toilet block, a car park, a canteen, and a sports field or playground. So you need to include all of these things in your empty lot here. And here is your task. You need to inform your builders of the amount of space, using fractions and decimals, that each amenity takes up in the lot. So you need to use fractions and decimals to tell your builders the amount of space that each one of these dot points takes up. And I've done an example here. So as you can see, I've got my 4 classrooms up the top here in pink and orange. So this is 1 classroom, this is 2 classrooms, 3 classrooms, and 4 classrooms. In yellow, I've got my canteen, and I've decided to do 2 toilet blocks. So I've got 1 here and 1 here. I've got my sports field here, and my car park here. And I made this using this interactive 10 by 10 lot or hundreds chart that you can use. So if you click on that link, it'll take you to this page. And if you just press hide, this button down here, all the numbers will go away. So it's just an empty hundreds chart or your empty 10 by 10 lot. And then you can use these colors down here to mark out your classrooms and your toilets and your canteen and all of that. So like that could be a classroom, this could be another classroom, that kind of thing. So if we go into our example, we're going to now find the fractions and decimals for the 4 classrooms, which are up here. And as you can see, each of these classrooms takes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So it takes up 5 out of 100 spaces because there are 100 spaces altogether, and each classroom takes up 5. So that's what we've got here. 5 out of 100 each for each classroom equals 5 over 100 or 5 hundredths. Because there are 4 classrooms, I need to add 5 hundredths together 4 times. And remember, when we add fractions with the same denominator, we only add the numerators together and the denominator stays the same. So that's what I've done here. I've got 5 hundredths plus 5 hundredths plus 5 hundredths plus 5 hundredths, and I only added the numerators. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20, and the denominator is staying the same, which is 100 or 100ths. Now, if we simplify 20 over 100, we get 2 tenths. And then to turn our fraction into a decimal, we can put 2 tenths into our decimal place value chart. And on this chart, you can see that there are thousands, 100ths, tens, ones, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. And you can see because I've got 2 tenths, I've put the 2 in the tenths column. So that's how I got my fraction and my decimal. So the fraction for the 4 classrooms is 20 hundredths or if I simplify that, 2/10 or 1/5 of the whole lot. And then when I converted this fraction into a decimal, I got 0.2. So the 4 classrooms take up 0.2 of the lot as a decimal, and the 4 classrooms take up 20 hundredths as a fraction. And so you need to find the fraction and the decimal that all of the amenities take up. So then you need to do the toilet block, the car park, the canteen, and the sports field. So that is our little task for today. I hope you enjoy it, and hopefully I will see you very soon. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.